In today's digital age, online earning has never been more accessible or appealing. The internet offers endless opportunities to supplement your income or even build a full-time career from the comfort of your home. Among the simplest and most effective methods is freelance writing. Freelance writing is a great starting point for those with a flair for words. First, you don't need extensive experience, just a passion for writing and a willingness to learn. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect writers with clients worldwide. Start by creating a compelling profile showcasing your skills, past work, and areas of expertise. Then, search for writing gigs that match your abilities. Many beginners start with smaller tasks, such as blog posts or product descriptions, which can pay anywhere from $10 to $50 per piece. As you gain experience, your rates can increase significantly, with seasoned writers earning $100 or more per article. The key to success is consistently delivering high-quality work and building a solid portfolio. Over time, you'll find repeat clients and higher-paying opportunities, making freelance writing a lucrative and flexible way to earn money online. Writing offers an accessible path to online income, whether you're looking to make extra cash or transition to a full-time freelance career. If you found this list helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and strategies on making money online. Your support helps me bring you more valuable content. Thanks for tuning in.